So now let's see how we can work around with paint bucket tool inside a Photopea. So for that, let me just go around and utilize a brush tool to draw a shape right here. Then I'm going to go around and choose a color. Let's say, for example, right here, it's like this. So now in order to fill the shape in between right here, I need to go ahead and utilize the paint bucket tool right here. So for that, if I were to click and hold on the gradient tool, I got the paint bucket tool right here. I can go around, choose the color as I did, and just click inside, and then you can see that this is what you have right here. So the color inside has been filled, but there are white dots around, as you can see right here. So for that, if I were to go around and increase out the tolerance level right here and click, then the gap is much more closed. You can simply go around, increase the tolerance level, and you can see that the paint bucket closes more like those gaps right here, just like that. And that is how you can utilize the paint bucket tool right here. So I have the selection right here. So if I were to go around onto the paint bucket tool and click right here, then I can fill out the selection just like that as well. So that is how you can utilize the paint bucket tool inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.